I keep seeing headlines and articles like this the whole time. 1 year of rainfall in 8 hours. I'm quite sure that's wrong. This is Chiva here. This is the region, so you can see the rainfall. This is the Spanish weather site. I don't know if one of them just makes a mistake and all the other ones just copy from it, or if they're all intentionally on the same page. But the rainfall that would have fallen on the day would be get these numbers and divide it by four. So that would be like getting the weather forecast, getting the average temperature in Ireland, say, going to Ireland and saying, like, adding all these numbers up and saying it's going to be like 800 degrees today or whatever. I mean, you add them up and then divide by the number there are to get the average. The place has a big history of floods. In 1957, there was a very big flood before climate change. There were so many floods, they said, screw this, let's do something about it. So they changed the trajectory of the river to go around the town. And they always happen around this time of year as well. October and November are like, particularly October, I think more so, is like the Mediterranean hurricane season. It hardly ever rains in the place. This is the file of rainfall going back to 1937 here. This is where the information comes from. And at first I thought there was something wrong with the chart or the file because there's all just zero. But it's just hardly ever rains. It hardly ever rains in Valencia. Going to 1957, where is it? That was the big flood. This file, unfortunately, goes up to 1921. I was hoping to get more detailed weather in the intervening years, like between 1921 and 2024, but it's really hard to get information on the Spanish weather stations for some reason. That's 125 millimeters, which is less than the rain. Oh, wait now, actually, it could be more. Let's see. It's less than the Chiva amount, but Chiva is a bit uphill from Valencia airport. I've only got a screenshot, an image of it. Can't go, like I said, I can't go back. So I think that is that 14? Is that 14.4? I think that's 14.4 millimeters. If it rained 125 millimeters here in 1957, I can imagine up here it rained a lot more than that. So, but I can't get information on this place going back as far as 1957. When I was just scrolling down, I saw something massive. I saw a huge amount of it. Look at this. The 17th of November, 1956, 262.6 millimeters of rain, which is like blows the other ones out of the feckin' water, no pun intended, but like that's a big amount of rainfall. And from what I see, there wasn't even any floods in 1956. I was looking around the internet, I could find nothing.